Here you can find manufacturing general. From here select manufacturing general. Manufacturing general is a okay. Here you select how much. If you are, for example, if you are assembling 20, so name processor P4, from assembling go down, quantity is 20. We are preparing here in manufacturing general. Okay, then monitor, assembling go down 20, then motherboard, assembling go down 20, then mouse, assembling go down 20, then keyboard, assembling go down 20, hard disk, assembling go down 20, hard disk required. Okay, here destination. That's destination, no need, just wages. What is the wages? Transfer of material. Oh, it's when to transfer of material, not manufacturing general. So let's create one thing. Alt F7, manufacturing general, stock general, automatic. Everything is the same, but still it didn't appear properly. So let's make some changes. Okay, okay, here. Okay, in manufacturing general, here use as a manufacturing generals we kept is no, make it yes. That's why it's not taking proper. So here inventory voucher, here is a manufacturing generals. Name of the product, take, okay, computer P4. We are computer P4, which go down, finish go down. Quantity we are preparing 20. Okay, new number, okay, batch number 01. Okay, so directly it's shown. Let's see directly shown. We don't need to put separately. Okay, here if we have incurred any wages, so wages, here put the wages, not in percentage. Here we have given, if it is percentage, then it is percentage. Here for example 30,000 wages. If any other expenses, overheads, okay, overhead for example 2000. So accept narration, if you want you can write accept. This is the manufacturing general and bill of material. Okay, this is use, how it is used, mean this is the way which means this is the way where we can use in Tally ERP 9 manufacturing general ledgers. Okay,